The 10th International Conference on Precision Agriculture in Denver hosted many university researchers and industry suppliers. The conference also provided the stage to announce this year's PrecisionAg Award of Excellence winners, presented by the PrecisionAg Institute. And the envelope, please. The Educator Researcher Award was presented to Dr. Terry Griffin, the University of Arkansas. The Crop Advisor Entrepreneur Award was presented to the OptiGrow team of Jimmy Sanders Incorporated and accepted on behalf of the team by Clint J. Rowe. The 2010 Farmer Award goes to Ken Dollenberg, a corn and soybean grower from Mansfield, Illinois. We talked with each of the winners during the Denver conference.
One of the interesting things that I think a lot of farmers will be interested in and been waiting on for a long time is the automation of analysis with spatial data. One of the reasons farmers tell us that they have not adopted precision ag technologies is it takes too much time to analyze the data. And we've been working on ways to automate that process to remove the need for a person to be involved in every step. And that's something to be looking forward to in the next 18 months to 2 years. Well, right now it takes so much time to analyze data that by the time we get the data analyzed, maybe weeks or months after harvest, and farmers are trying to make decisions in November after corn harvest. So if they can make those decisions sooner, then they're better off for early order discounts or planning for the next year.
We have a pretty easy to use and very flexible program that we use with those customers that allows our sales representatives to interact with them through a web-based program. We store their information such as yield, soil test data, and various other field data, and catalog that over time for them, help them work on using that data to better manage their productivity and profitability. We've got a relationship with a company called Agribotics that's an automated soil sampling device. That's allowed us to automate soil sampling, grid soil sampling mainly. It's taken a lot of the manual labor out of that, but it's also given us a way of consistently delivering a quality product across a pretty large territory, and to be able to streamline that process almost to a factory type of level of being able to predict when we can be there, when we can deliver, and so that's been a huge efficiency for us and for our customer, especially where we want to sample row up beds and then go back in there and spread in a pretty short period of time.
On our farm, the newest technology that we're using is row command on the planter to shut off each individual rows so that we don't overlap on the ends and on point rows. We also are using the spray command, which has the ability to shut the sprayer off as it approaches a sprayed area. RTK has been used for several years on the farm, along with yield monitoring, which we have done since the mid-1990s. Well, data collection has always been a part of my program, but the efficiency part is becoming more and more apparent as you look at the efficiency in planting, the ability to be repetitive in the guidance, and so this data collection of the GPS position being repeatable is very helpful for not only today but for the future.
Watch for further coverage of the Precision Ag Institute's Legacy Award, also presented at the International Conference on Precision Agriculture. For more information about the awards program or Precision Ag, visit PrecisionAgWorks.com.